him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you the September Subscriber's Choice Build Reveal and vote for the October build. So let's pull out our results here. So last place this time is the Cadillac. It only got 3 votes. And so the other two, it really wasn't close this time. And the Charger got 5 votes. And the F100 got 10. So our build for the September is going to be this truck. So we'll get that up to build, and then to replace it, we have a Matchbox LTD police car. So if you want me to build for October the LTD, put LTD in the comments below. If you want me to build the Cadillac, and this is the Seville, Cadillac Seville, put Caddy or Cadillac. And if you want me to build the Charger, put Charger in the comments, and only vote one time, please. Getting close to 500, guys. If we get to 500, I'm going to stop doing these videos in this way, and we'll just, if I can put up a poll, we'll do that for the voting, and you know, we'll go from there. So yeah. Anyway, be sure to go check out this build if you haven't seen it. This car is being auctioned off for charity in the comments on the video. So the details are in the description. You do have to be in the United States or Canada, just so shipping doesn't take extremely long. A couple of people have already bid on it so far, so go over there and check it out. And all the proceeds are going to breast cancer research. So that is a very good cause. So there's that. And also, guys, Diecast International Builders. In November, we have the Pontiac builds, and I had this car to build. And I picked up this one the other week in a dollar bag at Goodwill. So one of these is going to get built. Most likely I'll build this one because that's the one I was planning on. I have an idea for this of a particular car. So we'll see if we can get that done. And then December is the holiday build. So join us with that. We'd really love to see what you can do with our ideas. Yeah, so there's that. Be sure, if you haven't seen all the Paint It Pink for the 3 Blind Mice, you go over there and check out all the builders who build cars for that. There's some awesome stuff. I know Paul over at Fat Guy Productions has a great big auction going on eBay for a few cars and some other things, and I just want to give a shout out to Robin over at Rip Wreck Raceway for sending him a car to be auctioned off along with everything else. And also I have stickers now, so there's that. If you want a sticker, let me know. I'll probably charge like $5 or something through PayPal. So yeah, there's that. All right. So I think that's going to be about it. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. Click that like button and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.